हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द आईएएस आईपीएस फैक्ट्री। आज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फिक्स प्रपोजिशन। इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे फिक्स प्रपोजिशन मतलब जैसे वर्ड के साथ वो फिक्स है कि वही प्रपोजिशन आएगा। ये ज़्यादातर एसएससी और अदर एग्जाम्स में रिपीट हुई प्रपोजिशंस हैं जो कि कहीं ना कहीं किसी एग्ज़ाम में पूछी जा चुकी हैं। तो एक बार इसे पढ़ लेते हैं जिससे आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो जाएगा। तो एग्ज़ाम में जो एरर डिटेक्शन आता है या फिर फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स आते हैं उन्हें सॉल्व करने में आसानी रहती है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज abhorrence of shigrana. Strong hatred or disgust for something is called abhorrence of. Abhorrent to के लिए घिनौना, causing disgust और hatred. Abide by का पालन करना, to follow और comply with a rule or decision is called abide by. Around with और around in का मतलब होता है से भरपूर होना, to be present in large numbers or amounts is called amount with or amount in. Next is absolve from से मुक्त करना, to free from guilt, blame or responsibility is called absolve from. Abstain from से परहेज करना, to refrain from doing something is called abstain from. Abstemious in में संयमित, sparing or moderate in eating and drinking is called abstemious in. Abstinence from से परहेज, the practice of restraining oneself from indulging in something is called abstinence from. accede to का मतलब होता है को स्वीकार करना, to agree to a demand, request or treaty is called accede to. Acceptable to को स्वीकार्य, satisfactory और allowed, suitable is called acceptable to. Access to तक पहुंच, the means or opportunity to approach or enter a place is called access to. Accessible to के लिए उपलब्ध होना या सुलभ, able to be reached और entered is called accessible to. Accession to में प्रवेश, the attainment of the act of acceding to is called accession to. Accompanied by के साथ, to go somewhere with someone is called accompanied by. Accomplish of में सहयोगी, विशेषकर अपराध में, a person who helps another commit a crime is called accomplish of. Account for का हिसाब देना, to explain और justify is called account for. Accountable to के प्रति जवाबदेह, responsible to someone for one's actions is called accountable to. Accused of का आरोपित, charged with wrongdoing or crime is called accused of. Accustomed to के आदि, familiar with something due to prolonged experience is called accustomed to. Acquaint with से परिचित कराना या होना, to make someone familiar with or aware of something is called acquaint with. Acquaintance with से परिचय, knowledge और familiarity with something is called acquaintance with. Acquiesce in में सहमत होना, to accept something reluctantly without protest is called acquiesce in. Next है acquit of से बरी होना, to free someone from a criminal charge is called acquit of. Act upon पर अमल या कार्य करना, to take action according to something like information or advice is called act upon. Adapt to के अनुसार ढलना, to adjust to new conditions is called adapt to. Addicted to का आदि, unable to stop doing you or using something is called addicted to. Adapt at or adept in में निपुण, very skilled or proficient at something is called adept at or adept in. Adequate for के लिए पर्याप्त, sufficient for a particular purpose is called adequate for. Adhere to rules का पालन करना, नियम का पालन करना कहलाता है adhere to. To follow or stick to rules is called adhere to. Adjacent to से सटा हुआ, next to or adjoining something is called adjacent to. Admit into में प्रवेश देना, to allow to enter a place or organization is called admit into. Admit of की अनुमति देना, to allow something or make it possible is called admit of. Admit to को स्वीकार करना, to confess or acknowledge something is called admit to. Advance by द्वारा आगे बढ़ाना, to promote or move something forward is called advance by. Advance for के लिए अग्रिम राशि, to lend money for a particular purpose is called advance for. Advice to की सलाह देना, to recommended a course of action is called advice to. Affable to के प्रति मिलनसार, friendly and easy to talk to is called affable to. Affection for के प्रति लगाव, a feeling of fondness or liking for someone or something is called affection for. Affectionate to के प्रति स्नेहपूर्ण, showing fondness or caring for is called affectionate to. Affiliate to से संबंध, officially attached or connected to an organization is called affiliated to. Affiliated with से संबंध, closely associated with a particular group or organization is called affiliated with. Afflicted with से पीड़ित, देखो इसमें सिर्फ ए का डिफरेंस है और यहाँ ए है यहाँ सी है, इसी से ही कितना मतलब अंतर आ जाता है मीनिंग्स में। तो एरर डिटेक्शन के टाइम पे ये मीनिंग, ये वर्ड याद रखना ज़रूरी होता है, स्पेलिंग्स। एफ्लिक्टेड विद से पीड़ित, सफरिंग फ्रॉम समथिंग अनप्लीजेंट लाइक अ डिजीज इज कॉल्ड एफ्लिक्टेड विद। नेक्स्ट इज अफ्रेड ऑफ से डरना, फीलिंग फियर और एंजाइटी अबाउट समथिंग इज कॉल्ड अफ्रेड ऑफ। एग्री ऑन पर सहमत होना, टू कम टू अ कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट समथिंग इज कॉल्ड एग्री ऑन। नेक्स्ट इज एग्री टू से सहमत होना, टू गिव कंसेंट टू समथिंग इज कॉल्ड एग्री टू। एग्री विद समवन किसी से सहमत होना, टू हैव द सेम ओपिनियन एज समवन एल्स इज कॉल्ड एग्री विद समवन। एग्रीएबल टू के लिए सहमत, willing to do something is called agreeable to. Aim at लक्ष्य रखना, to target or intend to achieve something is called aim at. A kind to के समान, similar to something is called a kind to. Alarmed at चिंतित होना, frightened or disturbed by something is called alarmed at. Next is alien to के लिए अजनबी, unfamiliar, strange or unrelated to something is called alien to. Alight at पर उतरना, to step down onto something is called alight at. Alight from से उतरना, to step down from a vehicle is called alight from. Alight on पर उतरना, to descend upon or find something is called alight on. Alive to के प्रति जागरूक, aware of or responsive or to something is called alive to. Next is एलिजेंस टू के प्रति निष्ठा, वफादारी, लॉयल्टी और कमिटमेंट टू अ पर्सन और कॉज इज कॉल्ड एलिगेंस टू। अलायंस विद के साथ गठबंधन, अ पार्टनरशिप और एसोसिएशन विद समवन और समथिंग इज कॉल्ड अलायंस विद। अलाउंस फॉर के लिए भत्ता, टू मेक अकोमोडेशंस और प्रोविजंस फॉर समथिंग इज कॉल्ड अलाउंस फॉर। अलूफ फ्रॉम से अलग, डिस्टेंट और डिटैच्ड from a situation is called aloof from. Alternative to का विकल्प, another option or possibility instead of something is called alternative to. Ambition for के लिए महत्वाकांक्षा, a strong desire to achieve something is called ambition for. Amenable to के प्रति उत्तरदायी, open or responsive to an idea or suggestion is called amenable to. Amuse at or mock at, laugh at पर हंसना, मजाक उड़ाना means find something funny or entertaining is called amuse at, mock at, laugh at. Amuse with से मनोरंजन, to entertain or occupy pleasantly is called amuse with. Analogous to के समान, similar or comparable to something is called analogous to. Angry at something with something means किसी चीज से किसी पर नाराज होना, feeling or showing anger towards something or someone is called angry at something. Next is annoy at से परेशान होना, to be irritated by something is called annoy at. Annoy with से परेशान, to irritate or bother someone is called annoy with. आंसर बाय के माध्यम से जवाब देना, to respond to something through a particular means is called answer by. Next is आंसर फॉर के लिए जवाब देना, टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर समथिंग इज कॉल्ड आंसर फॉर. आंसर टू को जवाब देना, टू बी अकाउंटेबल टू समवन इज कॉल्ड आंसर टू. आंसरेबल टू, रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू समवन और रिक्वायर्ड टू एक्सप्लेन एक्शंस इज कॉल्ड आंसरेबल टू. एंटीडोट अगेंस्ट के विरुद्ध औषधि, समथिंग दैट counteracts or prevents something undesirable is called antidote against. Antipathy against के खिलाफ घृणा, a deep feeling of dislike towards someone or something is called antipathy against. Antipathy to के प्रति घृणा, a deep feeling of aversion towards something is called antipathy to. Anxiety for, a feeling of worry or unease about something is called anxiety for. Anxious about something, किसी चीज को लेकर चिंतित, feeling worried or concerned about something is called anxious about something. Apologize to a person, किसी व्यक्ति से माफी मांगना, to express regret to someone for an action is called apologize to a person. Apologize for के लिए माफी मांगना, to express regret for an action or behavior is called apologize for. अपील फॉर के लिए अपील करना, टू मेक अ सीरियस और अर्जेंट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर समथिंग इज कॉल्ड अपील फॉर. एपेटाइट फॉर की भूख, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर और लाइकिंग फॉर समथिंग इज कॉल्ड एपेटाइट फॉर. एप्लीकेबल टू पर लागू होना, रिलेवेंट और अप्रोप्रिएट टू समथिंग इज कॉल्ड एप्लीकेबल टू. अप्लाई फॉर के लिए आवेदन करना, टू मेक अ फॉर्मल रिक्वेस्ट फॉर समथिंग लाइक जॉब is called apply for. Apply to पर आवेदन या लागू करना, to be relevant or applicable to something is called apply to. Appoint to a post किसी पद पर नियुक्त करना, to assign someone to a particular job or position is called appoint to a post. Apprehensive of से आशंकित, anxious or fearful about something is called apprehensive of. Apprentice to का प्रशिक्षु या फिर के लिए शिष्य, someone who works for another to learn a trade is called apprentice to. Apprise of से अवगत कराना, to inform someone of something is called apprise of. Approach to किसी चीज से निपटने का तरीका, a way of dealing with something is called approach to. Appropriate to के लिए उपयुक्त, suitable और proper with something for something is called appropriate to. Approve of को मंजूरी देना, to give one's consent to is called approve of. Aptitude for के लिए योग्यता, a natural ability or skill at doing something is called aptitude for. Argue with से बहस करना, to dispute or disagree with someone is called argue with. Arrive at पर पहुंचना, to reach a place, decision or conclusion is called arrive at. Arrive in में पहुंचना, to reach a city, country or large or other large area is called arrive in. Arrive on समय पर पहुंचना, to reach a specific day or date is called arrive on. Ashamed of से शर्मिंदा, embarrassed or guilty about something is called ashamed of. Ask for से के लिए पूछना, to request something is called ask for. Aspirant of का आकांक्षी या इच्छुक, someone who has a strong desire to achieve something is called aspirant for of. Aspire to की आकांक्षा रखना, to have a strong ambition to achieve something is called aspire to. Assent to को सहमति देना, to agree to or approve of something is called assent to. Assiduous in में मेहनती, showing great care and perseverance in something is called assiduous in. Associate with से जुड़ा हुआ, connected with something or someone else is called associate with. Assurance of का आश्वासन, a promise or guarantee of something is called assurance of. Assure of निश्चित होना, to confidently tell someone something is called assure of. assured by के द्वारा विश्वास दिया गया, यानी कि given confidence by someone is called assured by. Astonished at से आश्चर्यचकित, greatly surprised by something is called astonished at. Atone for के लिए अफसोस करना, to make amends for something is called atone for. Attachment to के प्रति लगाव, a strong affection or connection to something is called attachment to. Attend to पर ध्यान देना, to pay attention to something is called attend to. Attend upon की सेवा करना, to accompany or serve someone is called attend upon. Attending on की देखभाल करना, accompanying or serving someone is called attending on. Attention to पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना, focusing on or considering something is called attention to. Attraction for की प्रति आकर्षण, a liking or interest in something is called attraction for. Avail of का लाभ उठाना, to make use of an opportunity or offer is called avail of. Averse to के प्रति अनुच्छुक, having a strong dislike or opposition to something is called averse to. Award for के लिए पुरस्कार, to give something as a prize or honor for an achievement is called award for. Aware of से अवगत, having knowledge or realization of something is aware of. Bargain with से सौदा करना, to negotiate with someone is called bargain with. Next is bathe in में नहाना, bath in means में नहाना, to immerse oneself in a liquid is called bath in. Bear with के साथ सहन करना, to be patient or tolerant with someone or something is called bear with. Bearing on पर प्रभाव, relevance or influence on something is called bearing on. Beg of a person किसी से विनम्रता पूर्वक मांगना, to ask someone for something humbly is called beg on. Beg pardon of से क्षमा मांगना, to apologize to someone is called beg pardon of. Begin on पर शुरू करना, to start something on a particular day is called begin on. Begin with से शुरू करना, to start from a particular point is called begin with. Believe in में विश्वास रखना, to have faith or confidence in something is called believe in. Belong to means का होना, to be owned by someone or to be part of something is called belong to. Beneficial to के लिए लाभदायक, helpful or advantageous for something is called beneficial to. Benefit by से लाभ उठाना, to gain an advantage from something is called benefit by. Benefit from से लाभ प्राप्त करना, to gain an advantage from something is called benefit from. Bent on पे अड़ा हुआ या फिर पर अड़ा हुआ, bent on means पर अड़ा हुआ. Determined to be to do something is called bent on. Bereft of deprived of से वंचित, lacking or deprived of something is called bereft of. Beset with कठिनाइयों से घिरा हुआ, continuously troubled by something is called beset with. Bestow something upon a person सम्मान या उपहार के रूप में कुछ देना, to give something as an honor or gift is called bestow upon. Beware of से सावधान रहना, to be cautious or wary of something is called beware of. Bigoted on के प्रति कट्टर, strongly prejudiced in favor of something is called bigoted on. Blame for के लिए दोष देना, to hold responsible for a fault or wrong is called blame for. Blessed with से धन्य, endowed with something desirable is called blessed with. Blind of के कारण अंधा या अनजान, unable to see due to a particular cause is called blind of. Blind to के प्रति अंधा, unaware और unperceptive of something obvious is called blind to. Blush at में शर्मिंदा महसूस करना, to feel embarrassed or ashamed about something is called blush at. Blush for के लिए शर्माना, to feel embarrassed or ashamed on behalf of someone is called blush for. Boast of पर घमंड करना, to speak with excessive pride about something is called boast of. Next is border on. Border on means से सटा होना, to be close to an undesirable condition or quality is called border on. Borrow of or from a person, एक व्यक्ति से उधार लेना. To take or receive something from someone with the intention of returning it is called borrow of or from a person. Bound for के लिए बाध्य. Traveling towards a particular place is called bound for. Bound with से बंधा हुआ. Tied or secured with something is called bound with. Break away से दूर होना. To escape or leave is called break away. Break down टूट जाना. To stop working or functioning properly is called breakdown. Break into में घुस जाना. To enter forcibly is called break into. Break with से संबंध तोड़ना. To end a relationship or association with someone is called break with. Bring down means नीचे लाना. To cause something to fall or collapse is called bring down. Brush aside नजरअंदाज करना. To dismiss something as unimportant is called brush aside. Burn with से लदा हुआ. Weighed down by something oppressive is called burned with. Busy with में व्यस्त. Actively engaged in doing something is called busy with. But for के अलावा without something or if something had not happened then it called but for. Call at किसी स्थान पर थोड़े समय के लिए जाना is called call at. To visit a place briefly is called call at. Call by मिलने जाना. To pay a brief visit is called call by. Call off को रद्द करना. To cancel something. Call on किसी से कुछ करने के लिए कहना. To ask or demand that somebody do something is called call on. Callous to के प्रति संवेदनशील. Insensitive towards something is called callous to. Candidate for के लिए उम्मीदवार. Someone who is being considered for a particular position or treatment is called candidate for. Capable of के लिए सक्षम. Having the ability or qualities necessary to do something is called capable of. Capacity for की क्षमता. The maximum amount that something can contain or produce is called capacity for. Careful about के बारे में सावधान. Cautions or particular about something is called careful about. Carry on जारी रखना. To continue doing something is called carry on. Cash in on का लाभ उठाना. To exploit or take advantage of something is called cash in on. Cater for के लिए व्यवस्था करना. To provide what is needed or required is called cater for. Cautious of से सावधान. Very and careful about something is called cautious of. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is certain of के बारे में निश्चित. Completely sure about something is called certain of. Characteristic of की विशेषता. A feature or quality belonging typically to a person, place or thing is called characteristic of. Charge against के खिलाफ आरोप. A formal accusation of wrongdoing is called charge against. Charge of का आरोप. Responsibility or control of something is called charge of. Charge with से आरोप लगाना. To accuse someone formally of a crime is called charge with. Claim on पर दावा. State a right to something is called claim on. Clamor against के खिलाफ शोर मचाना. A loud and persistent demand often in opposition to something is called clamor against. Clamor for के लिए शोर मचाना. A loud and persistent demand for something usually an action is called clamor for. Clinch to से चिपके रहना. To hold on to something tightly is called clinch to. Close down means बंद कर देना. To cease businesses operations permanently is called close down. Close to के नजदीक. Near to something in distance or time is called close to. Come about घटित होना to happen और occur is called come about. Come from से आना to originate from a place is called come from. Come off का परिणाम होना to be descended from or be the result of is called come off. Commence on, commence at, commence in, commence from. To begin or start at a particular time or place के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे commence on, commence at, commence in, commence from. Commence with से शुरू करना. To begin with a particular action or event is called commence with. Commensurate with के अनुरूप corresponding in size or degree to something else is called commensurate with. Commit to के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध होना. To pledge or blind or bind to a certain course of action is called commit to. Common to के लिए सामान्य. Shared by two or more people or things is called common to. Comparable to से तुलनीय. Similar or equivalent to something else is called comparable to. Compare to से तुलना करना. To consider or describe as similar is called compare to. Comparison with से तुलना. An examination of two or more items to stabilize the similarities and dissimilarities is called comparison with. Compassion for के लिए करुणा. Concern for the suffering or misfortunes of others is called compassion for. Compatible with के साथ संगत. Able to exist or perform in harmonious or agreeable combination is called compatible with. Compensate for की भरपाई करना. To make up for something is called compensate for. Competent for a job काम के लिए सक्षम. Having the skills and ability to do a job is called competent for a job. Complain about के बारे में शिकायत करना. To express dissatisfaction with or grumble about something is called complain about. Complain against के खिलाफ शिकायत करना. To make a formal accusation or bring a charge against is called complain against. Complain of की शिकायत करना. To state that one is suffering from something such as a pain or illness is called complain of. Complain to को शिकायत करना. To express dissatisfaction or annoyance to someone about something is called complain to.